and Comhgháirdeachas, many congratulations. You are player of the match. Exhausted, I'm sure, but tell me your thoughts. You're into an All-Ireland final.
It's unbelievable. I just can't believe it. Those last few minutes were so stressful, and I didn't know what was going to happen.
The start, Mayo got off, I suppose they had four chances to get in front, and then that goal that you had a hand in. It really, Galway seemed to settle, because that was, a lot of people were wondering coming into the game, because Galway hadn't played here, would they settle? But you seem to take it all in your stride.
Yeah, we've had a few slow starts in the past, but we all came out guns blazing and really got two great goals there. We're coming in wide from the sideline, so it was just brilliant.
We spoke to your selector, Noel Kelly, at half-time, and he mentioned that the half-forward line weren't working hard enough, that a lot of the Galway players weren't working hard enough. Is that something that you discussed in the dressing room, that you needed to up the tempo in the second half?
I think we all needed to up the intensity. Nobody was really, a line was picked out on, but we all definitely upped it in the second half, and it was definitely much harder anyways.
Finally, before I let you go, I mean, Roisin Lennon is standing over that free to win it for Galway. What was going through your mind?
I was just thinking of the Connacht final, and we lost at a free like that, so I was just hoping she'd get it over today.
Well, she did. Congratulations, Comhgháirdeachas. That is Ceannais na hImeartha agus Alan Esselman, Ard Stewart, TG Caharan, Shotgun and Gradam of Runny Worts.